We are the Clearwater team and we created an automated rover to clean marine areas and ports.
When you have a technical base, like you know how to work with metal, wood, molding, when you start to ideate a part or a piece, you say, okay, yeah, we need those requirements and those processes can meet those requirements. But then the option of the 3D printing appears, and the amount of range that different operations give us to do different things, it's a superior way. And the design process gets stretched and we will try more.
In the case of prototyping, it allowed to make pieces that industrially made would cost a fortune.
The main advantage that the machines that BCN 3D gave to the university is the bigger workspace and the IDEX technology that allow us combined to create bigger parts faster with less joining processes after printing.
With the parts we had to do with IDEX technology, it allowed us to do faster and at the same time with much more complex parts, which would need a lot of support, that using two different materials, the melting material and the final material, it just cleaned away.